Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Learning and Development Center. Today's video is about IELTS reading test tips. I will tell you those tips. By following those tips, you can get high score in IELTS reading. So here we go. The number one tip, regular practice. Reading magazines and articles are highly suggested as it will help you improve your comprehension abilities. The purpose of reading articles is dual purpose. Firstly, it would help you improve your reading skills, and secondly, it would help you improve your retention power. Try to speak as much English as you can. This would help you get a hold of grammar and sentence structure. Tip number 2. Develop fast thinking. You are given just 1 hour to complete the whole reading test, which has got 3 passages and 40 questions. In order to give correct answers, you need to develop fast thinking. This can again be done by regularly practicing of the proper study material. Tip number 3. Follow writer's instructions. When you are reading, pay attention to the writer's point of view. It can be tricky, can confuse you at times, so be careful while giving answers. Try to be as direct as you can. Read the questions carefully and try to give clear and direct answers. Tip number 4. Manage your time effectively. Tests like IELTS demand effective time management. You need to complete the test within specific time duration. Therefore, try to make use of your time wisely without wasting it by sticking to one single question. Tip number 5. Be cool and confident. This means knowing that you have done everything you can to prepare can help you feel more confident before going into an exam. Last minute cramming sessions will often only leave you feeling confused and even more stressed. So instead of hitting the books, do something relaxing and enjoyable instead. Go for a run or a walk, relax with friends, or simply unwind at home. That were some tips that you can follow to get high band score. Good luck for your IELTS exam. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.